MetaMask login sign in, how to sign into MetaMask account in 2 minutes. Now, if you want to log into your MetaMask account, whether you're using the mobile app on your mobile phone or you're using the MetaMask extension on your browser, when you open the app or the extension, this is the interface you will see. First of all, agree to the terms and conditions. Now, on MetaMask, it's not about account, it is actually about wallet. So you have to create your wallet or log into your existing wallets. If you do not have a wallet yet, you can click on create a new wallet button. But since in this case we already have when we're trying to log in, you can just click on the import an existing wallet button here. You can agree to the terms and conditions, click an agree button. You simply have to type in your secret recovery phrase, whether you have a 12 word, 15, 18, 21 or 24 word phrase, depending upon which one you have. You must have backed them up somewhere. If you do not have your secret recovery phrase, then unfortunately you will not be able to go ahead and then basically log in. But what you can do is you can simply go ahead and access your wallet with your secret recovery phrase. After that, you can simply enter your password and create your password, and then you will be successfully logged into your MetaMask account. This way you'll be able to log into MetaMask. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.